do like the online proposals, and I find it a lot easier. And so one of the things I'll add too is that I can do, depending on the program you use for your online proposal, there's some that'll allow video. There's others, if you say, I don't have an online proposal thing, I don't have this kind of thing, your answer, I always build my proposal and then I do it as an unlisted YouTube video
There you go.
of me doing a screen share and going through it. And so that way I know it's me presenting. And then especially if you get to the point where, oh, there was another decision maker that everybody was, blocking to keep from, they forward the video. So I had one group that had 12 locations, and the answer was, okay, just send it to me and I'll get you through to the big dogs, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, well, yeah, I believe you. Uh-huh. And I was like, great, let me just go ahead and send you over the proposal. And then when I sent him the YouTube link, I could see that it was watched 9 times.
Here you go. Yeah.
Right. And
Wow.
so then I'm like, oh, yeah, you forwarded to the people who needed to see it, but it was me that got to present, not the third party person. Yeah.
Absolutely. Enjoy this. It's free. YouTube is free, and you can have it unlisted. No one else can see it unless they have the link. So that's very smart. And again, if someone is going to pass on the message or your PDF proposal, it's not going to be as effective as you,
Correct.
as a business owner, as a sales manager, as a salesperson pitching. So no, that's very smart.